Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm gonna do the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. First of all, let's take a look at the news. We are having just a single news, that is a single high impact news into the market at 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So be cautious around this time since it could be a high volatile and high spread timing. So now let's move to the charts. This is the monthly chart of Euro USD and the price was having equal lows. The price swept these equal lows and broke this high. This gave us a strong low. The price reacted from this strong low but couldn't break this high. Rather, we broke below the strong low. This gave us a bearish bias into the monthly time frame. So after breaking the strong low, the price retraced back to this area over here where the candle had taken the high of the previous monthly candle, making this a strong zone of reaction. The price reacted from this strong zone and moved into the downward direction and swept all these equal lows and moved into the upside direction. So there is nothing more to say into the monthlies. Let's move to the weeklies. This is the weekly chart and we can see that the price is following an order flow and we have not yet mitigated this order flow and we are having equal highs at this area. So most likely I was anticipating the price to move into the upside direction, but the price reacted somewhere here and moved into the downward direction. So currently we are having this strong low, and why am I considering this strong? Because it had taken the swing of the weeklies and we were also having a low. So I'm anticipating the price to show a reaction from somewhere right here. So there is nothing more to say into the weeklies. Let's move to the dailies. This is the daily chart and we can see that the price had disrespected this flip zone which was responsible for this order flow to be broken, that is right here. So I'm anticipating the price to move into the downward direction now. So we can clearly see that the price is now respecting FVGs into the market and moving into the downward direction. Currently what do we have is we are having the daily low being swept by the market and we are having FVG. So I'm anticipating that the price is going to move into the upside direction, mitigate this FVG and then move into the downward direction. So now let's move to the 4 hours. So far, if you are liking this analysis, please consider liking and subscribing this channel. And do remember to press the bell icons since I upload daily analysis of Euro USD. So now, here what we can see is we are having a clear FVG into the market and the price is sweeping the lows and we are having this strong low since it had taken the liquidity of the previous leg and we are having unmitigated wick into the 4 hours. So I'm anticipating the price to move into the lower direction, sweep these lows and then move towards the upside direction and take this weak high of the dailies. So I'm anticipating the price to move into the upside direction and take this high. So let's move to the 1 hours now for a detailed picture. This is the 1 hour chart and we can clearly see that we are having the wick right inside this FVG of 4 hours. So I'm anticipating the price to react from this wick and move into the upside direction and break this high. So currently we have again swept the low of the previous candle. So I'm anticipating the price to move into the upside direction, breaking this high. That will be a change of character for me. So now let's move to the 30 minutes. This is the 30-minute chart and we are into the Asia session. I'm anticipating the price to take the Asia sessions low into the London session and then move into the upside direction. Do consider liking and subscribing this channel and press the bell icon for daily updates. Thank you for watching.